A trading result of $0. We didn't lose any money, we didn't win any money. That's the trading result from our commodity and futures trading according to COT data in week 28. Hello and welcome to Insider Week. In this video I'm going to show to you the trades of this week and the corresponding results. As always, let's have a look at the portfolio at the beginning of the week. We started into the week with an empty portfolio. We had 0 positions. As you can see, during the week we opened 3 positions, namely in cotton, in Japanese yen, and in gold. Let's have a look at each trade one by one. First market, cotton. If you've watched our last videos, you do know that we are looking for long entries in the cotton market for a while now. As you can see, we received the second buy signal in a row, and thus it is a buy signal in the weekly trend direction. Nevertheless, you can see that seasonal trend doesn't confirm our signal. Nevertheless, we decided to trade this market. On the daily chart, you can see that we entered into cotton several times. At the first time, we made a slight loss, as you can see here. The second time we traded, it was successful. And last week, we've entered again, and we are well in the win. Next market, gold. As you can see, we also received a buy signal in this market. This buy signal is confirmed by the seasonal trend. You can either have a look at the seasonal trend down on this picture, or you can visit our website where we have a nice seasonality tool, as you can see here. If you click on seasonality, you will be able to select the futures that interest you. For example, you can go to metals, select gold, and run the calculations. After the calculations have been done, you can see the 5-year average, 10-year average, and 15-year average, and thus the corresponding seasonal price movements. The red line denotes this year's gold price. And as you can see, currently the gold price moves in line with the past seasonal price movements. This is a strong indicator, and we expect price to move along seasonality furthermore. On the daily chart, you can see that we waited for our entry pattern to appear and we were triggered according to the plan. Price moved into our direction, but there was a strong sell-off day on Friday. Nevertheless, we can see that the price move to the upside is still stable, and so we expect it to increase furthermore in the next week. Next market, Japanese yen. As you can see, we received a buy signal against the weekly trend direction. We rarely trade those kind of markets, but we had our reasons. These reasons are explained and discussed in our trading webinars regularly as part of our coaching program. If you are interested in our coaching program, or if you want to test our trading group, you can visit our website, fill in your details, such that we can give you more information. Japanese yen daily chart. On the left side, you can clearly see the downtrend. The price corrected to the upside, and then it continued to the downside. Early on, our entry pattern showed us that this trend continuation is fake, and that price would continue its new daily trend to the upside. And as a result, we are currently long 11 contracts. Next, let's have a look at our second strategy, the so-called champion strategy. As you can see, we started into the week at the left side with an empty portfolio. On the right-hand side, you can see that we opened a trade in cotton during the week. Nothing interesting really happened during the week in terms of realization, and we close off this week with a gain of $0. And also in this case, we were triggered according to our entry pattern. In this case, this was a little bit later than for the COT strategy 1, but these are our trading rules and we stick to them. In the end, let's have a look at CRB Index as usual. As you can see, price passed the peak of the seasonal trend, but didn't quite follow it. As you can see, the price is still stable and does not follow seasonal trend to the downside. There is of course some downside pressure on commodity price index because crude oil turned around its trend, but at the moment we can see that price indeed is stable, and as a result we will continue to look for trading opportunities on the long side. That's it from our side this week. If you're also trading futures according to COT data, write in the comments which markets you chose or which markets are interesting to you at the moment. For the next week, we wish you all many successful trades. Thank you for your attention and see you again for our regular trading results video at the next Sunday. And as always, be aware of the risk, because risk management is the key to success in trading.